All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Apologies about the delay. Welcome back, guys. Zoom guys, YouTube guys, welcome back, everyone. I was just getting set up here. Like I said, the stream was lagging a little bit, so I'm trying to fix it. I don't know if it has, but hopefully it has. Let me just see. We've got some time as well. Kind of just waiting for this hourly closure here. Let me just move this here. Good morning, everyone. Zoom guys, what's going on? YouTube guys, welcome back. Give me 2 seconds. All right, where are we? Why is it not? Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to another stream. Hope everyone had a good day yesterday. Looked like New York was very choppy yesterday, as expected for the New York session. So we didn't jump on a pre-New York market call yesterday because there was just nothing to really update. Expecting it to go sideways with the US bank holiday. We got the fantastic sells in London. Where's the YouTube chat gone? Hey Nate, what's going on? Welcome back, man. The YouTube chat's gone today. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're back on. We are back on. Finally made it. Yeah, good bag. Good to have you back on. So yeah, a bit of a choppy New York session yesterday. These were the sells we took in the London stream. Beautiful sells in London yesterday. And you didn't do anything for the rest of the day. You did end up spiking up and re-grabbing these highs here. Then you kind of create some very, very aggressive ranges. But I am looking for some downside today on gold. Well, I'm looking for both, to be honest. But I'm looking for downside in the Asian session. You have a lot of liquidity still to be grabbed down here. A lot of liquidity down here. You guys who are coming on the retreats, I'm cooking up some awesome merchandise at the minute. This is why I was trying to get this all sorted. Do I only trade futures? Day trading wise, yes. Yes. I still trade, CFDs on higher time frames. But for day trading, yeah, just futures, man, just futures. On my Top Step account, which I'll share with you guys in a second. Where are we? Yeah, I think we need to be very kind of reactive in this range. It's a very, very big range, with New York kind of going pretty sideways yesterday as well. Let me just send this. I got some big things. Big things happening. FWA trading will be no more soon, unfortunately. But all will be explained at some point. Let me just send this. There we go. What? Secret, man. Secret. Secret. Need my merch. Swag to trade in. Yeah, we're going to have some good stuff, man. Some very, very good stuff. I'll keep it a secret until the retreat. Nah, I'm not starting a prop. Nah. I don't have the backing to do that, unfortunately. Yep, Discord will still be there. Yep, 100%. Apologies, you guys on YouTube. If the stream keeps going funny, I don't know why. I'm like watching it. It keeps like dropping in and out. I'm trying to fix it, but I don't really know what it's doing right now. I assume it's all fine for you guys on YouTube. Yeah, times are hard, man. Maybe. The ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Secret. Top secret. Where do I place my stops? My stops go above liquidity levels. Stop loss is always based off liquidity levels. Yeah, the video just paused. Yeah, I don't know why. I literally haven't done anything today. I've just moved the Wi-Fi, try and move it closer or close the window, but I can just see it dropping in and out for some reason. No one else is on this Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi is literally purely for my office. I just started up the computer. It's just been a little bit funny. To not move out of England? Maybe. Yeah, like this short yesterday. Stop loss is based off price grab in the previous 5-minute high. That's the liquidity level. That's the stop loss. Let me just try and move the router, whatever you want to call it. Don't laugh at me. Let me move it quickly. Ooh, maybe. Not bad guess. Not a bad guess. I know, yeah, I don't know why it's lagging. Apologies, guys. It's, like I say, I haven't touched anything. I've just fired up this morning, and it's just, I think the computer's still waking up a bit. I'll see if it gets better. But we got time here on God. I'm just waiting for this hourly to close before we start doing all the top down. If you're in Australia calling it a router, it's acceptable. Yeah. Anywhere else, it's not acceptable. It's called a router. I don't care what anyone says. It's called a router. Yeah, we're gonna get this hourly closure in about 3 minutes, and then we'll see what we have for the day here on gold. Let me just fire up the Top Step account. Something with Top Step. I am doing some more stuff with Top Step. I am. It's not entirely it though. Speaking of Top Steps, fire up the funded accounts. See what we get here for the day. Why does it keep dropping in and out? I don't know. Are you guys on Zoom? It's not laggy at all, is it? Everyone can hear and clean it. Cleans the toilets. No lag? Yeah, cool. I don't know why it's just on YouTube for some reason. It seems fine, cool. Apologies, YouTube guys. I don't know why OBS is being funny today. I'm going to close it and start again. Why are we lagging? Computer doesn't want to play ball today. Nah, it's still funny. Apologies, guys. I don't know why it's like that. We just have to listen out for me. Yeah, it keeps rebooting. I just tried to refresh it and reset it, but it's not changing anything. I don't know why. Oh, Hunt, nah, no way, man. Leo, no way. Hell no. We ain't going anywhere, man. I just, like, nothing is gonna change from that sense. It's only gonna get better from that sense, to be honest, man. You're gonna add some more parts, completely change all the names, everything like that. But nah, no, we're not going absolutely nowhere. Just no more FW trading. Maybe send us all Zoom links. Yeah, if it carries on getting bad, we might have to. 1 minute to 1 minute to this hourly here on gold. You guys on YouTube, free Telegram just in case it does go a bit funny. But no, it's nothing. It's nothing to do with my internet. It's just OBS being funny. Like the internet on my charts, trading, Zoom, everything's fine. It's just the OBS for some reason. It's being a bit funny today. I don't know why. 30 seconds. Maybe officially trading Forex Aaron to futures with Aaron. Maybe that is it. All right, let's see. Yeah, it keeps dropping. Yeah, I kept getting sent to a different video. Yeah, apologies. I don't know why. OBS is just being a bit rubbish today. I'll refresh it in a second. Let me just have a quick look at all the other guys waiting. Let's have a quick look at what we got on gold for the day. So, do I actually have a Telegram? I just sent the link. The link for the Telegram is right there, just a free group. So we can see yesterday here on gold, we ended up closing pretty doji, which was kind of expected after having a US bank holiday. But even though it was doji, there was still a lot of volume within this candle. You know, it's 270 tick candle. That's still a decent amount of volume. So for today on gold, we are watching Friday's low and yesterday's high. Two big liquidity levels. Depending on which way we break out for an intraday time frame, we could come up, liquidate yesterday's high, and then short into Friday's low. Or if we come down for the lows first, then great, we could be buying up into all-time highs. But yesterday's high and low, I don't really need to mark on yesterday's low. If we're going to grab yesterday's low, well, then we're also very likely going to grab Friday's low. So I may as well just keep it clean and just mark on Friday's low. Who's trying to hack me? What's going on? What's going on today? Trading views like refreshing and logging me out. It's all going down today. We haven't lagged on stream in a very, very long time. But today is just not. It's not wanting to. Until the markets crash. Yeah, absolutely, man. So FBI, yeah, maybe. Could be. This is really annoying. I don't know why. You guys on YouTube, I'll leave it for a little bit. If it gets worse, I'll unfortunately just have to cut it off. But let's see. It's completely fine on Zoom. That's why I don't understand. It's fine on Zoom, and everything is completely fine on my side. What have you done, man? What have you done? Yeah, as I was saying, you know, I am open to kind of either side today on gold. The thing that I do like is here, you know, we're holding 2,900, which is a massive, massive level. Holding that as massive resistance, broke back below, held it, pushed lower. Trying to push lower, I should say. So to at least come down and grab some 4-hour lows, looked pretty nice. You're kind of grabbing previous 4-hour highs. This is our downside level from yesterday, where anyone who's buying gold, stops will be down below this low. So we have liquidity. We have a lot of liquidity levels today. We have a lot more to the downside though. We have liquidity down here, and then all the way back down here as well. So I do like price to come down and grab these lows before potentially seeing these longs, which from where we're currently at, 28 ticks away, not bad. Yeah, you brought the bad luck with you, man. Yeah. So we're holding below, below this 2,900 level. We're grabbing some previous highs, holding resistance. This 30 grabbed the highs, held it. So we could see some sells soon. The only thing is we have been very, very range bound. So I would like to see a pretty decent breakout in order for me to want to take this. Yeah, finally some volume. Yeah. If we can see this continue, I like the sells. Trying to fix this here. I don't know why it's being funny. I don't want to mess around with it. So yeah, if we can see a decent breakout here, sales down to there do look nice. The only thing is the lower time frame is still very, very sideways. You know, we are getting some signs of good volume, but look how many times we also did have good signs of, you know, grab ties, close bearish, straight back up. So we do need to see it kind of break out pretty well. But this is nice. You're grabbing highs, holding below a level. You do have this for later on as well. The only way I would kind of risk my money on this is if we can get a good risk to reward. I need a good risk to reward to want to trade this volume this morning. Having a decent dip down here. I'm just going to do a quick, you guys, I'm just doing a quick internet speed test to see why this is messing up today. Oh, it's TPG are getting a phone call, costing us money. $15, yeah, look at that, 15. Decent volume here, very, very nice volume. This would be a management point. There's nothing to say it can't come all the way down here as well. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, my upload speed today is shocking. So it is a problem with my internet. Right, we're going to call them and kick off.
Thanks. For technical support, press 1. To update payment details, billing inquiries. 2. For broadband, wireless broadband, home phone, or email.
Looks like a PowerPoint presentation.
2. To return to main menu, press star. If you're calling about your email service, press 1. Otherwise, just hold the line. Support on home internet and other services. If you're calling about an issue with your NBN broadband service, we've made it quick and easy for you to register your fault online. We will then log the fault immediately and keep you updated via text messages. Simply log into my account at tpg.com.au.
$28.95. Yeah, we could. The only thing is, you close below there. There's nothing to say it can't be a liquidity grab to continue pushing up. I'll see if the answer. Oh, sweet, just hang up on me, that's good. Yeah, maybe. Thing is, it's always fine fine. I guess there just must be something wrong with it today.
Calling TPG. For technical support, press 1. For broadband, wireless broadband, home phone or email support, press 1. For mobile support, if you're calling about your email service, press 1. Otherwise, just hold the line. Support on home internet.
Yeah, if we as long as we get just a decent, to be honest, a decent closure below, like any of this, you know, you can consider it if it's worthwhile. You know, from here to here, 18 ticks, not bad. You'd have to get a very decent restore to want to take that. But yeah, I think as long as we're breaking out below here, which we are nicely, top wick, and we could have it. But if I was to just, you know, try and look at that, that's nice. Grab the highs, reflip down. So if we can now do the same as yesterday, grab some intraday highs and then sell. Oh, here we go, guys. 2 seconds, sorry.
You can definitely give us a call back.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Okay? Thank you for contacting TPG and also for being part with TPG. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Take
Bye-bye.
care.
Bye.
Okay, all right. Bye.
All right, we're back. We're back, everyone. Apologies. We're all sorted now. It's all fixed. It's all fixed. It's all fixed. It's all fixed. Apologies, guys. We haven't really missed too much anyway. You guys on Zoom are all back. Everyone all back. You guys on YouTube are all good. There we go. Look at that. It's perfect now. Perfect. Crisp. So you can kind of see here on Goldie, what did we do? We just came down and just liquidated these lows, but failed to really kind of break out. So if I was selling gold today, you know, above some highs, this would have been my initial downside target. You kind of see we've now grabbed the lows and bounced back up. So you grab the lows, you've now grabbed the highs, rejecting. Closing back into the range though, which is the only thing. 30 minutes still kind of, you know, is still at this major support. But we have just liquidated some very nice lows. So, like I say, now that we have grabbed them lows, would I want to be selling gold? Not just yet. If I was selling gold, this was my downside break-even point. So if we start breaking back to the upside, you know, we could have the longs up into here and here. If we want the sells down into this lower liquidity level, well, then I want to see, you know, a strong breakout of this level, and then, you know, then we can take it. But if I was selling from these regions, or, you know, selling from here, or even from here, second we liquidate these lows, that's my management point. So now that we grab these lows, if we start breaking back to the upside, there's the potential to look for some longs. We're still kind of in this big range. Nothing wrong with range trading. You just need to get in at the right points. What was wrong? The internet was all messed up today, but it's back now. All you had to do was turn it on and off. Put it in rice. Put it in rice, turn it on and off, and it's all sorted. Let me see. We got the. We get top step up here as well. There we go. Beautiful. So yeah, if we get a strong breakout of this 30 support, then we could consider some sells. But I would like to see that 30 actually close nice and bearish. Especially on the futures chart. If we look at the futures chart, you know, we are at major support around 29.09. Big support. So we want to see price, yeah, kind of clear all of that, or at least give some liquidity grabs and create some liquidity to want to short into that. Some NASA speed. Yeah, it's all good now. I don't know why. I just had to turn it on and off. Do a little reset. And Bob's your uncle. Coming back down here. We are coming back lower. 15. Yeah, to be honest, now this 15 is looking like it's going to fill in that wick. Had a nice little evening star here, closing bearish, top wicking, coming close to these lows. If we start to reject from here, we're going to have two equal lows. That could be a nice short target. Come down, grab previous lows, 17 ticks. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see, we've got 2 minutes till the close. What did copper do yesterday? Copper never really kind of grabbed the highs. Copper just kind of crept down a little bit yesterday. I know the DAX absolutely boomed again. Look at the DAX. Didn't quite come down and grab the lows I was watching. However, you did absolutely just rip the highs. Just another outstanding day for the DAX. Look at this. This is just insane. Insane, insane, insane. Copper's copping it. That's the guy. I think you just won quote of the day. Copper is copping it. Copper is absolutely copping it. Let's have a look at my silver position. Oh, silver's not looking too good. Kind of messy. Let's see. We got 1 minute to this 15 close on gold. 15 and 30 minute close incoming. Hopefully we can squeeze down a little bit more, and that will give a nice 30-minute breakout, and then we can actually top wick and short it. You just have to manage risk quite quick because you are selling at support. That's the only worry. With liquidity being taken. Yeah, like this. This could be good. This could be good here. Getting some volume into that 30 close. One more minute here. 1 more minute. Yeah, look at this. Solid breakout. This is what I want. This is what I want to see. I want to see this 30 clear all of this noise. Clear all of this noise, top wick, and we could be shorting down into here. That was kind of the level that we spoke about yesterday as well. Still haven't quite come back down there. But to me, that's a nice level. 4 hour as well, grabbing the 4 hour highs. Coming down to big support though. Alright, let's have a look. 15 coming lower. Let's see if we're going to get I would need a steep top wick. Because you got to manage as soon as you grab previous 30-minute lows. So you need a very steep top wick to make me want to risk my money on this. Two seconds. Let's see. Alright. So 30's just closed a very, very bearish there. Coming up for an instant top wick, which is nice. Squeeze up a little bit more, and we could market execute. Futures is trying to push up. Trying to get back above on the futures. Well, yeah, it's a pretty decent top wick. Alright, let's wait. That's a very strong top wick. That strong of a top wick that I may just take the flip. It's a quite aggressive top wick that I don't know if I'd want to short that. The retest entry anyway. What do we have? Down into there. You'd have to manage probably like this support. 30's coming back up. Retesting that current level of support. Audi hasn't quite got out yet. Tell me to plug in another PowerPoint. It's painful, man. Painful. I don't have any orders in here just yet, guys. I am considering the flip of this candle, though. I want to see this. If I was going to take this, I'd want this candle to flip bearish and actually clear this support with a lot of volume. Otherwise, you know, we are still at this hourly support. 30-minute did break out, though. But I want to see the hourly breakout as well. Two charts on the screen. This is the spot chart where I do the analysis, and this is where I do the execution here on Top Step. The reason I do the analysis on the spot chart is because it grabs highs and lows more than the futures chart, and then liquidity grabs are very, very key. You'd be risking about 16-ish ticks here. I don't have anything in just yet, guys. I'm not a huge, huge fan of this trade. Just because it's such a big hourly level as well. It's my only concern. It's my only concern. If we start to get some good signs of volume, you know, I will put it in. I'll just have to manage aggressively. $72 tick target on the futures. Wow. The ideal situation right now would be this 5 minute to not flip bearish. The next 5 minute come up and liquidate the highs. And then you drive. You may do it from here though. Let me see. I don't have this in here, guys. I'm just watching this. It's just such a big strong support. I'm not a huge fan of shorting it right at the support. I'm not in anything here yet, guys. I'll tell you guys what I do. If you guys are in it, just manage off the previous 5 high. I'm not in this personally. I didn't call this trade. I'm not in this one. I just don't like where you're selling into. But if you did take the 5 flip, yeah, I wouldn't want to risk off any more than that 5 high. You'd even be managing. This thing, and this buy trade was a little bit risky because you literally have to manage as soon as you come into these levels. Oh, look at that, 24 ticks already. Huge. There's the volume. Wow. $300, yeah, nice. I didn't take it personally, but yeah, on the futures you're hitting like 30 ticks there. To me, this one yesterday was a lot nicer because you grabbed the highs, had more of a valid stop and a good risk to reward. For me, this trade, the second you come into this level, which was like 9 ticks, you had to manage the trade. Which, like, you know, if I'm trying to squeeze out 20 ticks today, I think I'll get it a lot easier than this. Secured 18 off the flip. Nice. Two contracts, amazing, man. $360 in 5 minutes. You're trying to play it down into here. If you guys are in this, you're trying to play it down to here. 300, nice. Good work, man. Ice long black on me. I'll take that, man. I'll take that. Yeah, if any of you guys wondering why did I not take it personally? I'm just not a huge fan of this support. You kind of you're shorting into major support, so I'm happy just to draw up and see how it plays out. Got major support here, major resistance broke above support hasn't quite broken out yet. If you do break it, top wick on the next 24 minutes and then short, fantastic. So you can take these trades, but you do just have to understand they're a little bit riskier, and you got to be willing to manage very aggressively. As soon as you start hitting the support levels, you have to manage the trade. So for me, I was, I would have been risking about 10 ticks to have to manage at like 9. It's very aggressive. See, like this, at any point you get that strong reaction. Nah, I didn't take it, man. Nah, I drew it up. I didn't take it. I didn't like the support personally. A lot of my losses are trying to buy and sell at support. Yeah, that's good, man. Yeah, that's good to not take these ones then. That's the thing. Sometimes you can take you take a sell here because you think lows are gonna get grabbed. The lows don't get grabbed right then and then. And then you look back and go, damn it, like I was literally selling at support, which, you look back and you go, them trades, when they work, are great. But when they don't work, you look back and go, that was really, really stupid. So be okay with, not taking them ones. They're great when they work, but when they don't work, like I say, you look back and go, what the hell was I even trying to do? Trying to sell support. Makes no sense. If you just bought it, you would have made money. Times you aim to trade, yeah, definitely. Me personally, I backtest all of it. Depends on what time frame you're trading as well. But like, you don't like. Then you would have got break even there. So you know you hit lows of about 30-ish ticks. I still believe you're going to squeeze lower, so break even on that trade anyway. And this is the reason I didn't want to short this, because you're selling right at hourly support. If the hourly can break out, fantastic, then we get some shorts. But if we do short before actually breaking that level, you have to manage very aggressively. Yeah. Just like that, only if you're paid off. Yeah, 100%, man. I've done that as well. Because you're like, I know these lows are going to get grabbed. I know these lows are going to get grabbed. And then it can pull back, like, 50 plus ticks. And then you will eventually be right. But still, if we want to short into these levels, we want to be doing it at good areas where we can actually manage risk. I've done it so many times as well. So many times. I'm like, cool, I know these lows are going to get grabbed. It's like, okay, cool, that's fine. If you do know lows are still going to get grabbed, you still want to be doing it at a good place. Sometimes, you look at some lows and you go, oh, I could short 15 ticks into them lows and be done for the day. And like the potential upside risk just goes out the window, like it doesn't even cross your mind. And then before you know it, you're stuck like minus 50 plus ticks. And you look back and go, well, if I just bought that support, I would have made 50 ticks. I've done it a lot of times. It's kind of a big mistake I did when I was trying to trade liquidity, especially when you're at the support. I'm like, well, I know these lows are going to get grabbed. I know they're going to get grabbed. It's okay, well, that's fine. If I want to short into these lows, or if I want to buy into these highs, for example, would I start buying it here? No, I want to be buying it at the support, not the resistance. Because if it doesn't work like this, here's a good example. You try buy gold here because you think it's going to squeeze out 6 ticks, say it's 10 ticks. You don't realize you end up missing out on a lovely, lovely, lovely short. You end up holding onto a stupid trade. So the way you want to trade into liquidity at support and resistance is actually doing it at good areas, which is a good point for the retreat, actually. Can we buy from here? It's up to you, man. Am I buying from here? Whether you can buy from there, it's up to you, man. If I was buying from here, I'd tell you guys I'm buying from here. Train lot took 5 lots per rest at break even. Yeah, good job, man. As long as you got something out of markets, there's a good break even. A very well managed risk. Very, very well managed risk. Have a look at this 30. Grabbing the lows. Let's see if you can close back bullish. So here's our support. We broke below it. We've now grabbed the lows. Looking like we're going to close back above. Give me 2 seconds. But I think we should be in for some pretty decent trades today. Throughout the day, I think we should have some good volume. There's a lot of daily highs and lows, and that's what I kind of... They're the days that I love to trade. You know, sometimes you come onto the market and be like, oh, cool, we've grabbed daily highs, we've grabbed daily lows, not really too sure what we're going to do. But when you're kind of trading inside yesterday's high or low, I mean, unless today closes doji, which is fine, tomorrow being easier. But today, as soon as you break out, you know, yesterday's highs and lows are some very, very, very nice targets. Like if even this daily flips bullish into yesterday's high, you know, that's 70 ticks. That's a great trade to at least come up and liquidate the highs. I love it when the daily kind of leaves liquidity like that. You know, some days you'll come onto the charts, you know, like you grabbed highs and grabbed lows, and then that day you're not really too sure. That's why I was kind of trying to let yesterday play out, because I know if I let yesterday play out, see how the daily closes, today's going to be a lot easier. And you know what else is going to be nice on gold? If we come up and liquidate yesterday's high, what are we going to have to the downside? 1, 2, 3 equal lows. On Wednesday, you could also have some amazing shorts back down into these areas. So for me personally, I love to see the daily looking like that. Yeah, me too, Brad. Yeah, I'm glad to see Goldie having a pullback as well. When it's just ripping these all-time highs, it's so tough, man. It's so tough. So to see it now creating some structure is fantastic. I mean, it has been a lovely start to the year riding this wave up. But when you're actually peaking the all-time highs, yeah, it's very, very tough. So to see it creating ranges and creating structures, yeah, is really good. It's very nice. I see this 30 looking a bit doji. Where are you traveling and trading to next? We got the trading retreat in Bali in about 2 weeks, man. And then I'll be in Europe for a month. So Bali and then Europe. Equal lows because they haven't grabbed each other, man. So you can see like they've all respected each other. So this low didn't grab this one. This low hasn't grabbed this one. So these are a lot of equal daily lows. And the way gold moves in the daily, if you see a lot of them, so it's going to come down and liquidate a lot of them, even here. Equal low, comes down, grabs the previous daily low, and then pushes up. Yeah, Mikey. You know it, man. You know it. It's going to be a good, man. It's going to be good. Well, speaking of Bali, please find attached your quotation. $20 mil. Jesus, I ain't got 20 mil. I'm from the UK, man. I'm from a place called Jersey originally. No top wick of this 15, guys. I'm not selling this. IDR to AUD. Uh, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Oh no, 2 mil. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah, Bali, same spot, man. Yeah, it's honestly, it's such a good setup for the retreat. I'll just keep doing it there. It's like, honestly, the villa in Bali is perfect for a retreat. It's like, it's got private rooms, it's got bunked rooms, it's got the pools in like a more communal area, it's got the nice outdoor seating. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing it there every single time. Uncle's from Newcastle, nice. I used to live in Newcastle. Able to stay in Australia? I have New Zealand citizenship, man. I have a New Zealand citizenship. So I'm very lucky. My parents lived in New Zealand for like 5+ years before I was born, so it meant I was able to get my New Zealand citizenship and live in New Zealand or Australia. Visa free. I'm in New Zealand, nice. I love New Zealand, man. New Zealand's beautiful. One of the most beautiful places I've ever been. When I'm ready to settle down and retire, it'll probably be the place I'll go. What's wrong with Australia? What do you mean, man? What's wrong with it? Nothing. Nothing's wrong with Australia. I love Australia. other than Mr. Taxman. Me and him don't have a good relationship. Can't even chop in here. Respectfully. I don't mind it, yeah, it's funny, I don't mind it. Yeah, there's that as well, yeah. Politicians, yeah, there's one thing, yeah. Politicians and tax and some government things, and other than the place itself, nothing. Brew. What? Stayed in London for 4 years, but it's too packed. Yeah, I've been to London a few times, but I thought it was cool when I was younger. But I'm not really a city person. I like the nature, especially when I'm trading. My environment's very important. I like to be by the beach, chilled, relax. City life doesn't really do it for me. I'm trying to immigrate to Australia. Nice. God, long stop low. Yeah, 15 looks nice. You grab the lows, close bullish. You just can't, like, you're kind of holding support, holding resistance. To me, it's just like, not that I'm saying by any means don't take that trade. Don't listen to what I'm saying in terms of taking your own trades. But yeah, to me, I'm just kind of, here's my support, here's my resistance. We break to the downside. I got fantastic sells into here. We break to the upside. Maybe I can see some nice buys as well. Probably buys above 2900 actually. But if we can break back below it, yeah, sells into here. This range right now is about 20 ticks. net flux. Net flux. Fucking hell. A rivalry going on. Yeah, man. Nice little condo in Thailand or Vietnam. 2-minute walk to the ocean. That's it, man. That's the thing. You could live in, like, especially as a trader, you could live in like Thailand or Vietnam, make like 1,000, 2,000 a month, and be chilling. You could do that on a 50k funded account. It was just you have more, but so possible, man. You don't need to be making thousands a month to be able to live that good lifestyle. If you do want the lifestyle that, the luxury cars or all that sort of thing, you can have that, and you'll need to have a lot more capital behind you. But if you just want a nice, relaxed life, living somewhere Thailand or Vietnam, it's like, man, you don't need to be making thousands on thousands a month. When I took the leap into traveling and trading full time, I was like, if I can just make 50% of what I'm making in my 9-to-5 job, I'll be extremely happy. Switzerland, yeah, Switzerland's beautiful, yeah. Switzerland's beautiful. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Nate and his partner did it. Absolutely, man. Would love to retire. Yeah, Bali's beautiful as well, man. Yeah, Bali, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. 15, there's still no top wick on this 15, so it could flip bullish. Yeah, it has become expensive, yeah. It definitely has. Come on, Goldie. Let's see. Just being a little bit patient here because I don't really know what's happening in this area. You kind of got support here, so resistance there, support there, and kind of just in a bit of no man's land. 30 minutes looking very doji as well. I'm looking at the 30-minute higher time frame. Very, very doji. Holding support, holding resistance. You can see it's a massive fake out level. Yeah, it needs no height to live there, yeah. Hey, that's cool you live there, man. Yeah, I'm sure there's still some little hidden gems there as well. Yeah, if anyone's wondering why we're not jumping in trades just yet, I'm just not really too sure what's going to happen in here. So rather than me trying to predict the markets, I would rather wait for the breakout and then follow the trend, ride the wave of the market. Yeah, you got the closure coming in soon as well. Did a road trip around Switzerland a few years ago. Didn't realize how much it actually cost till I got there. Yeah, I've heard it's very expensive. Same as a lot of Scandinavian places are very expensive as well. Hey Nathan, what's going on, man? 20 Swiss franc for 20 chicken nuggets. Jiangsu. Yeah, when I was in one of my friends lives in Oslo. Oslo is very expensive as well. Very, very expensive. And very high tax. Very high tax and very expensive cost of living. But again, absolutely beautiful country. You know, they pay a lot of tax, but you can kind of see where it goes. Changzhou. That's quality. You know, we do have 6 minutes to the close. If this 15 flips bullish and closes back above here, you know, trying to trade the next hourly is going to be a lot easier. 5 minute. Yeah, loads, man, loads. Same as everywhere. Vietnam, Thailand, they're just taking over. Yeah, price of heart. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, Vietnam, you can live. Yeah, you can live very, very cheap in Vietnam. Don't leave us. Who? Me? I ain't going anywhere. Changzhou's the best. I like Changzhou. TP 2900. Yeah, I think so. If you get back above here, I think that's an easy target, man. You got a nice double top there as well. As soon as we get a little breakout, I'll be joining you. Yeah, you got a nice double top. There's nothing to say this can't come into yesterday's high as well. Taking some profit off at 2900 is a great day trade. What's that? 35 ticks. If you break that, you know, you got 100 ticks into there. Yeah, a retreat in June, man. Retreat coming up in June. Still places left as well. You can go to tradingretreat.com and see the tickets, man. My dog is here. My dog has arrived at the office. Let's let him in. Yeah, nice one, Nate. Talk to you soon, man. Just start trading on top step after seeing your video. Nice work, man. Good job. Good luck with it. If you're on the combine stage, good luck. Take your time with it. Don't rush it. Be patient. Follow the plan. Don't think Sammy wants to be here today. He's running around like a nutcase. Hello, buddy. Come on, Goldie, give us some volume. Where's the volume today? Had a decent push down here, and you kind of just got a bit sideways. called Sammy, man. Sammy, not Sammy, man. Just Sammy. Sammy's come for an office day. But yeah, you kind of see his 30's about to close. Very indecisive. Tried to push up, tried to push down, closing in the exact same place, which is usually a good sign that you can, you know, create a morning star and push higher. The only thing is there's got resistance right there. Bring your kid to work day. Yeah, something like that. Come on. No. How long have we got to close? 1 more minute till this 30 close. All right, where's gold going today? Buying or selling? Is it going up or down? Come on, the people are waiting. We're waiting for some signals. Sammy's not interested today. Go on, buddy. Full of hair. Yeah, Uluwatu. I've never. That's the only part of Bali I've not actually been to, but always wanted to visit. It looks very nice there. Would I suggest doing Forex and gold at the same time, or should I just focus on one thing? Did a $1,600 Forex course. Wow, that's a very expensive course, man. 1,600 Forex course. That's a lot of money. I mean, it's entirely up to you. Principles that I could use on currencies, I could still use the same on gold. So it depends, really. Daily bias we've already gone over, man. Scroll a little bit back, you'll be able to see it. If I gave the bias every single time someone asked it, I'd be repeating myself a lot, man. Scroll back a little bit, you'll be able to see it. Just had a blackout, oh no. Yeah, I'm bringing the bad luck today for sure. Yeah, he does, yeah. Truly a man's best friend, absolutely. How can you have a bad day trading when you got a dog chilling there, excited to see you every single minute? So if you guys want to become better traders, get a dog. Get yourself a dog. 15-minute here, grabbing the lows, grabbing some resistance. I just really don't like this. I just really don't like this range here on gold, unfortunately. The reason I don't like it is because once you get a breakout, you're going to have a very easy trade. You know, whether that breaks the upside or whether you break the downside. You know, you break the downside, you got shorts into here. You break to the upside, you got buys into here and here. So, you know, you can try and take impatient trades now, get chopped up, look back and go, oh, that was really stupid. Or you can wait for the price to break out, confirm volume, confirm direction, and then you can have your trade. So kind of in this area, you know, we just need to be a little bit patient. But all it takes is a single breakout here on gold and you can have a good trade. Like I say, you know, you can try and trade in here, and then when the market breaks out later on, you'll see the perfect entry, but you won't be able to take it because you've already hit your daily loss limit trying to trade in this range. So rather than doing that, be patient, wait for a closure that will confirm a breakout, which will confirm direction, which will also confirm volume, and then trade. Make your life as a trader easier. So in the meantime, anything anyone else is looking at, feel free to send it over. Oh, look at this, DAX. Copper having a little sell-off here in Asia. I never really look at copper in Asia. That's a very decent push. Very decent push. Let me just open the balcony for something. 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, intraday for copper. Yep, I've had some good trades on copper. I do prefer gold for sure. Gold moves much nicer, but copper still can give some nice opportunities. Copper was very nice when gold was ripping all-time highs. Copper was great to trade, but now that gold's not at all-time highs, there's more structure. I try and put all my focus on gold. But you know, when gold's just smashing all-time highs, there's not really a lot you can do. Yeah, sometimes it's nice to look at copper. You get some good trades. Same principles as well. Same liquidity grabs and breakouts, etc. Trade it the same way. I'll get a breakout soon here on gold. I'll be on for about another 25 minutes, guys, and I've got to go head to Jiu-Jitsu. And then we'll see what closer to London brings. Hopefully Asia can just develop a little bit more, and then London you can get some good trades. Hopefully. But what you really want to see is a breakout. Thing is, even if you do close back above this level, you know, you can look for the buys up into here, but just remember, like, what happened last time we were in this range. It gets a bit tough. A little bit tough. Yeah, 2900 as well, yeah. Yeah, 2900 is that's the thing. 2900 is a big level. Even if you were just to wait for a break above 2900, and then the daily flips, and then you buy into yesterday's high. Well, from here to here, it's a 60 minimum 60 tick range. Which, you know, there's a high chance that if you start breaking out, you're going to grab yesterday's high. Job calls. Thanks, Aaron. Yeah, no problem, man. See you closer to London. Anything else? If anyone is looking at anything else, or you want me to have a look at some other markets today, feel free to send it over. It doesn't just have to be gold. We can take a look at some other things. I see Nasdaq didn't do much yesterday. Not really. It's kind of still crept higher though. Wait. Oh, they're actually just not even. Yeah. Wait. What? Where's Monday's candle? What's going on? Oh, this is like a nice trendline liquidity breakout coming here on NAS. Look at that. Somebody sounds like a horse galloping. Yeah, I don't think he's having a fun time. He's just kind of pacing around. He doesn't love the office. He's like, are we going for a walk or what? What am I doing here? Off to the gym. Yeah, good work, man. Good job. Have a good session, bro. Got some little trendline liquidity here on gold now as well. Little trendline coming down here. You can come down and grab some lows and give me a good risk reward. I can consider buying up into that. It'll be buy below previous 5-minute lows. 5 minutes now start to close back above, which could be a good sign that the 15-minute might get back above soon as well. So if the next 5 can come down, bottom wick, liquidate these lows, and then reflip bullish, we could take a scalp, manage them around 19-ish. Exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, nice. Good man. Good man. That's what I like to hear. Because you know, if you try and buy it from here, you know, you kind of have to have stops like at least down below here, which is, in terms of risk to reward, you know, it's not that great. Whereas if we can actually see the next 5 minute come down and grab the lows, then we can get a valid stop, just like the trade we took yesterday. Came up, grabbed the highs. Cool, you don't need to stop all the way above here. If that's a true liquidity grab, you won't need to break that high. Therefore, there's my stop loss, there's my target, good risk to reward. So you kind of want the same thing here. You know, you grab the highs and then you break down, grab the highs and then you break down. So we kind of want to see the same thing here now on gold. If we can grab the lows, break back above, cool. Then we can get the buys and a better risk to reward. Got burnt a couple of times lately. If I have a setup on the 15 minute, should I play it safe and put liquidity on 15? Yeah, I mean, if you're trading off the 15, man, you shouldn't even be looking at the 5 minute. You're probably just trying to squeeze out a tight stop loss for the sake of having a good risk reward. If you're trading off the 15, stop loss is based off the 15. Or if you're managing you know, whatever time frame you're executing off, that's the time frame that you want to have your stops based off. Like if I take a trade here in the 5 minute, or if I want to trade the 15 minutes, if I just look at the 15, if I buy this right now, my 15 stop's gonna have to go like somewhere down here. You try to refine too much on the 5 minute, yeah, you'll get stopped out and then price will push in your favor. Now, I like to trade on the 5 minute, but that's because I've seen these moves happen long enough and can see the price action liquidity is enough to that I can take that higher risk. But until you gain that kind of chart time experience, yeah, just manage on the higher time frames. You'd rather have, you know, a 1-to-1 or like a 1-to-1.5 to 1-to-2 and let your trade breathe than getting stopped out before it pushes in your favor, right? Don't focus too much on risk to reward. Just focus on executing and calling good market moves, and you can, yeah, refine over time, refine as you get better. I would be way further ahead of my journey if I didn't focus so much on having the biggest risk to reward when I first started. Because so many times I would just have a stupid stop loss that didn't make any sense just because I was trying to put my risk reward opinions on the markets. Whereas for me now, it's like, you know, people who could trade for like a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-3 very profitably, or even a 1-to-1 very profitably with a good win rate. You can refine tighter stop losses and, you know, the bigger risk reward trades once you progress in trading. 5 minute open instant top wick here on gold. I need to see it grab some lows if I'm going to consider this. No bottom wick in this current 5. 15 looking like it might break out though, which is good. Next 15, give that bottom wick, which could liquidate some of the 5 lows. Fantastic. If it pushes from here, that's fine. I'll probably wait for closer to London. Yeah, next 15 bottom wick. Yep, I think that'll be a good trade. Sammy's just staring at me. 30 minutes coming up nicely here as well. How much volume have you got here? From here to here. So yeah, it's doing 12 ticks in the past like 10 minutes. Yeah, that's the thing. It's also straight into resistance. That's the thing. It's straight into a lot of mess. The only way you take it is if you get good volume like this. Oh, look at this. There's the push. So you probably won't come down and grab these lows now. You may just bottom wick into here. Straight into resistance, but you do have liquidity above, and you'd be getting in at the support. So it's the only way you can buy up into here. If you can pull back and buy into here, as soon as you get into here, you don't want to be a buyer. Oh, look at this though. This is why these closures are going to be very, very key. 2 minutes until this 15 close. Have to see that 15 close above. Then you get in at the support and you manage at the resistance, as opposed to letting it get up into here, pulling back and then trying to buy. We want to be buyers down here. Look at this hourly as well. Rip the lows, closes back above. Fake out buys look good as well into the next hour. I still, once you break that, here to here is going to be a very easy range. Minimum 60 plus ticks. Let's see. One more minute. See this 15 close looking like we're going to break out here. If we come down for an instant bottom wick and can hold this level, you know, I'll consider it. The thing is, I do have to shoot off soon, so I don't hold any top step trades on the go. What is this on the futures? 5 flip on the futures, up like 20 ticks. Yes, pushing more on the futures today. Personals for higher time frames, like 30-minute and higher. The funded top step accounts are for these 5-minute scalps. Alright, so we just had a strong 15-minute closure there, back above the range, coming down for an instant bottom wick. You could even just market execute this. Let me see. I'm not in yet. Let me see. Where would you be managing here? Yeah, I'm gonna take a stab at a long here on Goldie. Oh, a 30. I'm in this trade. I had about a 3-tick spread there. 3-tick spread. Wow. I will have to manage this quite aggressively because I got to shoot off in about 15 minutes. But let's see. The 15-minute closed with a very strong engulfing bullish. 15 minutes coming down for an instant bottom wick here on the FX chart. As soon as this flips bullish, you know, I'll start to manage. Stop loss will be based off if you close back below this area as well. You can even market execute or you can just have a buy on the break of the high. It doesn't really matter. As soon as this can flip bullish and we get volume, we can see if we can get a nice drive here. Management will be this resistance. I'll have to probably exit, I have to shoot off, but I'm trying to see if we can break this 2900 level and squeeze much higher. As soon as, like I say, as soon as this 15 re-breaks the previous highs, I will aggressively manage. Currency starting to flip bullish. Futures is holding up there. Let me have a look at the 5-minute here. Yeah, you may grab some lows more. Let's see. I will manage aggressively here, guys, just because you're coming into some big areas here that I want to see broken with volume. That if you start to stall around here right now, so you're coming into that big level. Let's just see this 5 close here. Future's only about 4 ticks. What's the currency up? Currency up about, yeah, it's about 10-ish. Alright, let's keep in I didn't get the best of entries there. Entry on the futures is at 2910.4. Went up around about 10 ticks. So you get a nice push now. I will manage soon because you're coming into a strong level. Same entry on the futures. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. If it comes back down to my entry on the futures, I will look to manage. Just because this FX chart's coming into this big level that I want to see broken with volume. There's nothing to stop that from being able to hold it. So like I said, same as yesterday, you know, although I would love to see price break this resistance and just rip, what I would love to see and what are happening are two very different things. So although I want to see this resistance broken, this is a strong level where we could just continue to range from. Therefore, it would be stupid of me to not manage that trade. So if we do start coming back to entries, you know, I may just be a little bit aggressive because we do have some choppy price action to the left. But let's see, we've got 1 minute till this 1 minute till this close. 30 minutes looking pretty good as well. The next 30 could still give a steep bottom wick. I just unfortunately won't be able to watch it. Come on, Goldie. Futures is still holding up. Currency's kind of holding the resistance. Futures is still looking pretty strong though, which makes me think the futures could follow suit. Yeah, I'm putting my stops to break even here on the futures, guys. I'm being a little bit aggressive with the management. The next 5 could come down bottom weight, grab some lows first, so I personally would rather just manage. Yeah, play it safe, wait for the break above 2900. Yep, still a good idea, man. Still a good idea. Currency coming back lower here. I just closed the futures. I just closed the futures there, guys. Currency's coming back down. Futures are going to come down. May as well just close and wait. This is a very, very strong level here. You know, the 15 started to flip. 15 grab lows, broke back above. I do still believe this is going to squeeze higher. I can only watch it for another 10 minutes, and I don't want to leave a trade in drawdown. So I'll manage aggressively, and if I do want to get back in on gold, I want to see price actually break this resistance. So yeah, I'll manage aggressively there. Managing aggressively. If you do, yeah, like I say, yeah, if you just want to wait for the break in 100, fantastic. What I'm kind of looking at here as a possibility, the 5 minute is very likely going to come down, grab these 5 minute lows, and then you may be able to get back in. So if you guys are looking to continue to trade here, that's what I'll be looking for. Then you got liquidity here, and remember all the way up here. But unfortunately, I got to shoot off here, guys. I got to shoot off a little bit earlier today. I got to take Sammy back, and then I got to head to the gym, and I'm going to trade closer to the London session. Retest of the 5. Yeah, I would be now watching the 30 minute. See if the 30 minute can actually break out. Because if you look at the 30, it hasn't actually really broken out just yet. And also, you're going to see that hourly fake out as well. So I'll be back on the charts at around about like 4 a.m. London time-ish, which you guys on Zoom will continue to update then. I was hoping we were going to get some volume there and just rip them highs. But like I say, you know, what I want to happen and what are going to happen are two very different things. So I'll let you guys go on Zoom. I'll see you guys in Discord closer to the London session. Trade safe for now, guys. You guys own my upside liquidity levels. And we'll see how price develops over the next hour and what we get closer to London. So Zoom, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube, guys. I'm going to wrap up there. Little break even here today on gold. It's fine. I just have to manage aggressively because I have to shoot off a little bit earlier today. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. I'll be live again tomorrow for the London session. I still have upside bias today on gold, but as of right now, price is going a little bit choppy, not a whole heap of volume. But if you do break out, as to what I wanted to see here, you could still have some nice buys. But for me now, I'm going to shoot. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the London session. Trade safe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.